In Thai cooking, bold seasonings like fish sauce, palm sugar, and lime juice are often added at the end, leading many to believe that fish sauce is heat sensitive. But that's only partially true. The salt and umami compounds in fish sauce are very heat stable. What's volatile is the aroma. The real reason for adding the trio at the end is the lime juice, which is heat sensitive, volatile, and prone to bitterness when boiled. 2,000 kilometers away in the Philippines, the acid, usually cane vinegar, almost always goes in first, and is the key to the flavor of the famous adobo. So today, an easy, playful, and extremely tasty recipe: fish sauce adobo. We've covered adobo extensively previously. We have the usual suspects: pork belly, garlic for some savory depth, black peppercorns for some heat, optional bay leaf for some herbal aromas, and the star of the show, cane vinegar, which brings a bright, tangy acidity. You can use white wine vinegar with a touch of sugar to round out the flavors, and aim for about 10% of the weight of the pork belly. Now the fun bit, the fish sauce. As fishy as it smells now, in 90 minutes you'll neither smell nor taste this signature briny funk. What you'll get instead, in essence, it's a white adobo, but with a bazooka umami booster. To make this even more fun, with pork belly adobo, you normally aim for about 1.5% salt to the weight of the pork belly. Today we're aiming just for 1%, so check the back label of your fish sauce. For me, it works out to about 4% of the weight of the pork belly. This way, when we finish, you can decide which side to land. Do you want to go to the Philippines, or do you want to go to Thailand? After 90 minutes and some optional reduction, adjust with salt, and you have a very umami-rich, slightly tanned white adobo. Alternatively, top up with fish sauce. Shape some optional palm sugar or use brown sugar. Throw in some aromatics, herbs. You have a very funky fish sauce adobo.